Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to pay for items in installments on Amazon. Paying in installments can be a helpful way to spread out the cost of your purchase over time. Let's begin. First, log into your Amazon account and navigate to the home page. Use the search bar at the top to find the product you want to buy. Enter the name of the item and press Enter. Browse through the results and select the product you want to purchase. Once on the product page, look for the payment details below the price. Some products will display an installment payment option. This may appear as Pay Monthly or Installment Plans. Not all items are eligible, so ensure the item you've selected offers this feature. Once you confirm the item is eligible for installments, click Add to Cart. After adding the item, go to your cart by clicking the cart icon in the top right corner of the page. Review the details of your order to make sure everything is correct. When you are ready, click Proceed to Checkout. At the checkout page, you will first confirm your shipping address. If you already have a saved address, verify that it is correct. If not, add a new address. Once you confirm your shipping details, move on to the payment section. In the payment section, you will choose the method that works best for you. Amazon provides several options for installment payments. One option is using the Amazon Store Card, which allows you to pay in installments over 12 months. If you do not have an Amazon Store Card, you can apply for one during this process. Amazon may also offer installment plans through third-party services, like Affirm. These services let you split your payments into manageable amounts over a set period. If you prefer to use a debit or credit card, Amazon sometimes provides direct payment plan options with those cards. You can also review other available payment methods and choose the one that fits your needs. After selecting your payment option, you will see a summary of the installment plan, including the first payment amount and the schedule for the remaining payments. The first payment will typically be charged immediately. Confirm that all details are correct, then click Place Your Order. After placing your order, you will receive a confirmation email with all the details of your installment plan. Remember, Amazon will automatically charge your chosen payment method on the scheduled dates, so ensure your account has sufficient funds. That's how you set up and manage installment payments on Amazon. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.